I created a brand Sunny Leone and will always stick by it. India is a democracy. One of the greatest things about India is democracy and free speech. People can say whatever they want to. What do I have to do with it? If I cared about what other people thought of me, I wouldn't be where I am right now. I am earned more than the President of America. I am doing something right. I don't know what my legacy will be, but one thing that I was good at was turning a quarter into a dollar. I respect the fact that you may not agree with my life choices, but I don't push my views or videos down your throat. If you don't like, don't Google me. People grow, things happen. I also think I'm a different mind frame now, or maybe I just don't give a shit. I give less of shit now than I did last year. This journalist asked me that if you could change one thing from your past, what would it be? I'm like, I would go back in my past and not come for this interview. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.